Fam, it's your boy Tony Oso on another Cooking with the Osos. It's me and my lovely wife. Say hello, baby.
Hi, world.
Okay, so today we're going to be cooking up a nice turkey breast fillet smothered with some mango salsa, some peppers and onions and all that good stuff, some rice to go on the side, and some vegetables, a couple of vegetables made through some spinach and some corn. So we'll be cooking that up for you right now. So stay tuned and we're going to show you how it's done. So what we have here is the turkey cutlets, and we're going to be frying up some mushrooms real quick. Got that going. And my lovely wife over here has got the mushrooms going. And we're going to try something different. She's going to try a vinaigrette sauce, which I have right here. So it's like a garlic vinaigrette, which is what she's going to dip the turkey in. We have our turkey breast fillet sitting there frying up. My lovely wife here is about to flip it. Alright, she seasoned it very well. Alright, so she took some and dipped it inside of this vinaigrette to see what type of flavor it's going to give us. So today we're kind of experimenting with some things. Yeah, she's sprinkling a little paprika on there. And a little bit of applewood seasoning. Just about to put a little cilantro on there. And that should be suffice. So now you are seasoned from both sides. Alright. Over here we have our onions and mushrooms that we're going to add. And then we're going to top it with some mango salsa. So, we have here our turkey breast cutlets, which is almost done. We have our rice, coconut rice that we're boiling. And chopping up some nice onions and green peppers and mushrooms over here, and some orange peppers to make it colorful. So we're going to take that, put that in there, make a nice little sauce with that. And we'll be done.
All right, let's go.
Alright, so right here we have the miraquat that's right here. That's going to go on top of our turkey chops, as we call them. Those really turkey breast cutlets. And then we have our rice here that's simmering down. Got coconut rice here. And then we're going to top that off with some nice mango salsa, and we'll be done. So we're just going to make the sauce real quick. You want to put this in here after you finish frying up so you get all of those nicks and crannies from the turkey breast cutlet. So you toss that up really good. Let that go on. Really good. And toss that. But anyway, all is good. And I'll be back with you in a second. Alright, so we got the turkey chops over here simmering down on top of the miraquat gravy that we made here. Got that going and the rice going, and we're going to be ready to plate in about 5 seconds. Look fam, the finished product, we got our corn, our Mexican style corn with our tenderloin breast smothered with our green pepper and mushroom gravy, and added on top of the one that we made with our vinaigrette. We have our mango salsa, we have our coconut rice, and our garlic bread to top it off. Well, that's it for our show today. Join us next week.